everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my final update for Partners in Cream. Yes, the finale is next month on the 10th of December. I'm a little worried that I'm not going to finish everything. I'm pretty certain I'm not going to finish everything. That's okay. We're not going to panic. I'm going to finish some stuff. Thus far, I've done okay on this project. Not the greatest, not the worst. I did put in some hard products. One of them's on my lips right now. This one just won't die. But I did finish an eyeliner already in this project. I did hit a usage goal on a product. And as of this last update, I have hit usage goal on another product. So let's start with the happy news first. I had rolled in this ColourPop Jelly Mutt Shadow in Sage Bundle for 5 uses. It is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I do have it. That's what that shiny thing is on my eyes today. It is just, it's a beautiful cream color, but it has a gorgeous teal shift to it. I absolutely love the Jelly Mutt Shadows. They're kind of like love them or hate them. I know a lot of people do not like them at all. I adore them. I don't mind rehydrating them as necessary because it's okay. It just doesn't bother me, but I just love the payoff on these. So I did get my 5 uses on this, and I am happy to roll that out. I obviously will not be rolling anything else in since, again, it's ending a month from today. So I need to get some stuff done before then. All right, let's get into what is still in here from the very beginning. From the very beginning in January. It should not still be in here. Starting with the Maybelline Color Drama in Stripped Down. My scale is like kaput until I get a battery, but I did actually do lines on this. The blue is where I was last time. This dark purple line that matches my nails is where I am right now. I feel like there's an air bubble in there. I can't swear that there is, but I just it kind of has that feeling. I don't know. Maybe it's not. I could be completely wrong. But I'm hoping to have this done by the finale. If it's not done, it's going to be so darn close. If there's an air bubble, I think it's going to be done. If there's no air bubble, it's probably just going to get close. We'll see how it goes. If it's done, it's done. If it's not, I'll just probably keep working on it anyway, because I would like to have that done. I put a lot of work into it this year, and I would love to have that one done. The next one, what's on my lips now? Buxom Wine Me. Yes, it has been in here the entire time. It is super tiny. Look how tiny this is, and yet it keeps going. It keeps going and going and going. Stopper's been out for months, but you can see how saturated the wand still is. I can't see down in there to see how much actual product is in there. I know there's a lot, look, because I can scrape the sides and there's still plenty in there. I don't know if this one's going to be done, which is absurd because I wear this thing a lot. Like, not every day, but I would wear it several times a week and it's still not done. And I've been working on it since January, which is, it's insane. It's incredibly pigmented, so you don't need a lot, but come on. Why is it still living? It really needs to just cease to exist in my world. The next one I do believe is going to be done. This is the e.l.f. Lip Lock Pencil. I've got all of my lines on here. You can see my progress lines. This is where I was last time. This is where I am right now. So you can see if I keep that same progress, this one is going to be done. I'm going to roll it up so you can see what is in there. There is not a lot left. I am like 99.9% certain this is going to be done by the finale. And that will make me happy because this is a really old product that I've had in my inventory for probably way too long. And I will be happy when it's done. I like it. But it's just not necessary for me, so it'll be good when it's done. And the very last thing, unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to finish, but that's okay because I really love it anyway. So I'll just keep working on it. That is the ColourPop Jelly Mutt in On the Fly, and I just yanked my own hair. This one, I've got such good progress on it, but I just don't know that I'm going to be able to finish it. That is what she looks like. If you look into the pan or into the jar or whatever, you can see just how low it is. Like, let me turn it on its side. You can see there is just not that much in there, and that goes all the way around. I think the only way I could possibly finish this is if I wore it like every single day until like the finale, and even then probably not. That it just, you don't need a ton. So I don't know. If I don't have this done by the finale, I'm probably gonna keep working on it through the end of the year and just see how it goes. And because I love it so much, if it's not done by the end of the year, I'm probably just gonna roll it into a project for next year somewhere so that I can get it done next year, because yeah, there's just not a ton in there. And when they get lower like this, they do dry out a little bit quicker. But again, I just put a few drops of my contact solution in it, and it works just like when I first bought it. So that is my update. Short and sweet, not super short, but I feel like I'm doing okay with this. Not the most amazing project that I have as far as success, but I'm okay with that. I worked on some really hard stuff, and in all my brilliance, I had 3 lip products in here. Probably not the smartest thing to do, but you know, they all need to get worked on, so it is what it is. I'm fairly certain this is coming back next year. I'm pretty sure I heard like people talking about it coming back next year, which I would be shocked if it didn't. I will be doing it again next year because I have a lot of cream products, cream liquid kind of products. This project is something that I absolutely need in my life to keep using those types of things. I love them, but they do go bad faster, dry out faster, and I need that motivation. I definitely do. Playlist, all that good stuff, that's going to be down there. Definitely go check out Steph and Delynn, since they are the creators of this amazing project. And I think that's everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.